Fazl Rabbi Pramanik, Senior Teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rampur. Today's lesson, the sentence. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, student will be able to define sentence with characteristics, to know the classification of sentences, to understand the sentence structures, to use sentences in our daily activities. What is a sentence? What is a sentence? Group of words, subject and verb combination, complete thought, meaning. Beautiful girl is the. এটা কি আসলে কোনো সেন্টেন্স? এর মিনিং নেই। এটা সেন্টেন্স নয়। The girl is beautiful. এটি একটি সেন্টেন্স, এর অর্থপূর্ণ। It has meaning, meaningful sentence. It gives us a complete sense. The girl is beautiful. Assertives or declarative sentence. The girl is beautiful. Interrogative sentence. Imperative, command, requested, wish, etc. Exclamatory. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. A sentence must have a subject and a verb, but it may or may not have an object. Object থাকতেও পারে, নাও থাকতে পারে। According to meaning, sentences are of four types. It is a kinds of sentence. According to meaning, sentences are of four types. As যেমন assertive অথবা declarative sentence. The sentence that makes general statement or assertion. Imperative sentence. The sentence that expresses command, request, advice, wish, and prayer, etc. Interrogative sentence. The sentence that asks questions. Exclamatory sentence. The sentence that expresses a strong feeling or sudden feeling. Declarative অথবা assertive sentence makes a general statement or assertion, begins with a capital letter, ends with a periodic mark. We should eat green fruits every day. Examples হচ্ছে we should eat green fruits every day. These are green fruits. Many people are fishing in the pond. Structure: subject, transitive verb, object or complement with extension. Interrogative sentence. What does interrogative sentence do? Interrogative sentence asks a question. It begins with auxiliary or helping verb or with WH word. Interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Examples. Am I a good student? How are my friends? Where are you going? Am interrogative sentence ভার্ব শুরুতে বসে মানে am দিয়ে সেন্টেন্স শুরু ends with a question mark. Question word WH question word দিয়ে সেন্টেন্স শুরু How are my friends? এখানে how question word ends with a question mark. Where are you going? The sentence begins with question WH question where are you going? Ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence have two types of structure as auxiliary or helping verb plus subject plus main verb as per tense plus object অথবা complement with extension. WH word plus auxiliary or helping verb plus subject plus main verbs as per tense plus object or complement with extension. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence express commands, request, advice, wish or prayer, etc. Imperative sentence begins with verb, ends with a periodic mark or mark of exclamation. Examples. Don't waste your time. Catch the ball carefully. May God bless you. Don't waste your time here. Don't waste. This is verb. Negative imperative sentence. Catch the ball carefully. The sentence begins with verb catch. Ends with a periodic mark or mark of exclamation. May God bless you. Structure. Verbal base form of plus object with extension. May plus subject plus verbal base form plus object. Let plus object plus verbal base form extension. These are structures of imperative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence express sudden feeling of mind. Begins with interjection and sometimes with what, how. Ends with a mark of exclamation. Examples: shit, I have lost everything. What a beautiful scenery it is. Oh, it is delicious. Shit, here the examples of exclamatory sentence. What? Ends with a mark of exclamation. Oh, this is example of exclamatory sentence. We use two types of structure for exclamatory sentence as interjection plus mark of exclamation. Subject plus verb plus object or complement. What, how plus object or complement plus subject plus verb plus a mark of exclamation. Thank you very much for being with me.